So, guys, it's later that evening. They called me and said they got the truck done. I was really surprised. So, wonder which one we should take. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by a toe. If you holler, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I guess we're taking this one. I think I can get it out. Yeah, that's fine. We'll figure it out. Perfect fit. Yep, we'll take this since my other Cummins is there. Ooh, just ran into the ditch at tight. Because we all have room to fit both trucks, I think. So we'll go. Oh, yeah, just blew that stop sign. Oops. Almost coming, luckily. So, we got the bigger trailer there, or the gooseneck there, so we can fit both on there. So, yeah, I'm really excited. Hopefully, you can kind of see it. Told them kind of the color scheme, and they matched it kind of. Looks like I can't see it all the way. I told them like what type of wheels kind of I wanted to do and what type of style I wanted stuff done to. So get this truck loaded and then we'll load that other truck on while we get it all out here. Well, let's go check out the truck. Oh wait, my tailgate's down, huh? Must have forgot to put it up. Well, looks like they got someone else here too. Well, that's the truck. It looks good. Black wheels. It's not that bad. Ooh. Wait. That don't look good. Oh wait, they said hold on. They said it can be fixed. I just gotta go in here. Or wait. Hold up, give me a minute. Let me see if I can do this. Oh, nope, what am I doing? There we go. Yeah, okay. What color should we paint it? Black, yeah. Yeah. Don't look bad. Bet you still rolls coal. Put her in neutral. Nope, neutral. Oh yeah. Sounds good too. Looks good. Go load her on the trailer and then go give him the monies. Probably back it on. Looks good and sounds good, runs good. Wait, yeah. Shut her off. I was gonna leave her running, but why not just shut it off? That way when I get back to the shop, I can just. Well, it don't matter either way. Put it in neutral. Turn off the light. Shut off the truck. There we go. There we go. Functions. Raise that up. Make sure you don't hit my other truck. Can't see. Oh yeah, we're good. Perfect. Okay. Well, I'm gonna help them close the doors. We got another truck here. We're gonna close this one, leave that one open. Well, we're closing the rest of these side. Going here. How's it going? Here you go, bud. Yep, I got my truck loaded up. It looks good. See you, bud. I gotta go home. Have a good night. Go jump in the truck. Should have pulled it around here. Put it tight. It's good for you to walk. Go jump in the truck and head on home. And unloading, I'll probably be a wrap. Jump in, get her started, and we're good to go. Turn on the lights. tight. I'll take this truck and trailer and hook it and go home probably on here. Well, well, truck fell off the trailer. It's alright. Oh, oops. Should flip back over. There we go. Well, I'm going to park this truck over here for right now because I own this little dirt lane over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this truck, back it on in here. Shut her off. Go jump in this truck. And we're finna take this truck home tonight. She's got some get up and go. Really open her up. You guys see still at this shop. We'll close it all up. I don't know, it might be too tall to fit in my garage. Well, maybe not. Try it. Just barely fits. Oh my goodness. Well, that's a wrap. See ya.